Well, this restaurant has been closed for months. Let's look inside. Hey, I got an idea. Since nobody owns this restaurant, I am going to turn this restaurant into a pizza place. Oh, here comes my first customer.
Hi, Jetta Sharp.
Hello, Cat Ketchum. How may I help you?
Can I have a job here?
Okay.
Hi, Jetta Sharp and Cat Ketchum.
Hi, Jetta Sharp and Cat Ketchum.
Hi, boy Jordan and girl Jordan.
May I please have a job here?
May I please have a job here?
Yes, you can.
Hi, Jetta Sharp, Cat Ketchum and boy Jordan and girl Jordan. Hi, Cookie Cutie's brother.
Hi, Cookie Cutie's brother.
Can I get a job? Sure.
Sure.
Hi, Jetta Sharp, Cat Ketchum, boy Jordan and girl Jordan and Cookie Cutie's brother.
Hi, Blarney the dinosaur.
Can I get a job?
Sure thing.
Hi, Jetta Sharp, Cat Ketchum, boy Jordan and girl Jordan, Cookie Cutie's brother and Blarney the dinosaur.
Hi, Jetta Sharp, Cat Ketchum, boy Jordan and girl Jordan, Cookie Cutie's brother and Blarney the dinosaur.
Hi, classic boy Sam and girl Sam.
Can I get a job, please?
Can I get a job, please?
Yes.
Hi, Jetta Sharp, Cat Ketchum, boy Jordan and girl Jordan, Cookie Cutie's brother Blarney the dinosaur and classic boy and girl Sam.
Hi, Janie.
Hi, Janae.
Can I get a job here, please?
Of course you can.
Of course you can.
Alright, now let's wait for a customer.
Hello, the managers. How can we take your order?
I would like one pepperoni and cheese pizza, please.
Okay, here you go, the manager.
Thanks. Oh God, I don't feel so good. I need to go to the bathroom. Jetta Sharp, Cat Ketchum, boy Jordan and girl Jordan, Cookie Cutie's brother Blarney the dinosaur, classic boy Sam and girl Sam and Janae. How dare you guys make me sick? To that pepperoni and cheese pizza you gave me tasted really disgusting. That's it. I am calling all of your parents.
No.
Hello parents, you sons. Got me sick and the pepperoni and cheese pizza they gave me tasted disgusting. Can you come over here and ground it and please? Okay, thank you, goodbye.
Jetta Sharp,
Cat Ketchum,
boy Jordan and girl Jordan,
Cookie Cutie's brother,
Blarney the dinosaur,
classic boy Sam and girl Sam,
Janae,
How dare you all open up a restaurant while you all are grounded?
That's it, you are all grounded for quadruple eternity.
You guys got a solid patio.
You all will suffer the consequences.
And when you all get home you will go upstairs to your rooms while we order Baby Show DVDs off of Amazon.
The stupid brother.